Alright, we're going to do online TSI 133, questions 41 through 60, part 3. Let's start on it. Alright, negative 2x is less than 8. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Says you divide by negative 2, turn the alligator around. Divide by a negative, turn the alligator around. So x is greater than negative 4. Alright, next question. It says 2x is less than negative 6. Divide by positive 2, divide by positive 2. X is less than negative 3. Divide by positive, leave the alligator alone. Don't turn it. Alright, go to the next one. Number 43. You have x over 4 plus 3x over 8 greater than 20. So the LCD of all these numbers here is going to be 8. So multiply by 8, 8, 8. So 4 divides 8, 2. 8 divides 8, 1. 1 divides 8, 8. So now you have 2x plus 3x and 160. That's going to be 5x is greater than 160. Divide by positive 5, divide by positive 5. Don't turn the alligator, leave it alone. X is greater than what? 32, right here. Long division. If xy equals k and x is 2 when y is 10, then find x when y is 5. So xy is k. So substitute numbers in there for that 2 and the 10 from right here. 2 times 10 is 20, so k is 20. So now xy is 20. From here we substitute and make it a 20. So now put the number we have. We have y is 5. So y is 5. Put a 5 there. 5 times that. X times that is 5x. 5x equals 20. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So x is 4 when y is what? 5. Simplify this. We have 12 over x squared means 12 over x times 12 over x. And that's going to be x to the 1, x to the 1. 12 times 12 is 144. X to the 1, x to the 1. Add the powers. 1 plus 1. So 144 over x to the 2 power. 5 over x to the 3 power. Rewrite it. 5 over x, 5 over x, 5 over x. x1, x1, x1 there. 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. X to the 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 125 over x to the 3 power. 6k over 2 squared. Let's just divide that. Easy. 2 divides 6, 3. We're done with that part. Now 3k to the squared means 3k times 3k. 3k to the 1, k to the 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. K to the 1, 1 plus 1. So 9k squared. Simplify this. P minus 0.12p. Let's rewrite this. This is 1.00 and put the p right there. There you go. So now we have 1.00p minus 0.12p. Well, 1.00 minus 12, 2 from 10 is 8, and 1 from 9 is 8. So 0.88. So 0.88 what? P. Think like this. $1 minus 12 cents or something. Alright, this one. Multiply 3x minus 2 times x plus 5. So we're going to go 3x times x is 3x squared. That times that is 15x. Negative 2 times that is that. That times that is, and do it again. 3x times x, 3x squared. 3x times 5, 15. That times that is negative 2x. And that times that negative 10. This right here is going to be 3x squared. And this is going to be 13x minus 10. 3x squared minus 13x minus 10. Multiply 2a minus b, 2a plus b. So ready? So we're going to go 2a times 2a is 4a squared. Yes, that times 4a squared. And 2a times that is positive 2ab. That times that is negative 2ab. And that one times that one is this. So we have 4a squared, positive 2ab, negative 2ab, negative b squared. Now 2ab and negative 2ab gone. They cancel each other out. 4a squared minus b squared. Final answer. 2a minus b squared. Rewrite it. 2a minus b, 2a minus b. So 2a minus b, 2a times 2a is 4a squared. That times that is negative 2ab. That times that is negative 2ab. And that times that is positive b squared. Notice, 4a squared, this is negative 2ab and negative 2ab. Put these together, it's going to give you negative 4ab in the middle. 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. Multiply this out. This from this, so rewrite it. 4a squared, 1, a to the 1. Rewrite it. And now let's do it. 4 times that is 4. So we have 4, 2 plus 1, a to the 2 plus b second. 4, a second, b second. So we have 4a to the 3, b to the 2 plus 4a second, b second. this one. Multiply this one. So you're going to go, the 2 times the 4 is 8. X to the 1, x to the 3 is 1 plus 3. Y to the 2, y to the 4 is 2 plus 4. 8, x to the 4, y to the 6. This one, let's rewrite it first before we start doing it. 1 power 4. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 4. Multiply the powers right here. So that's going to be 2 times 1 is 2, 2 to the 2, x to the 2, y to the 8. 2 to the 2 means 2 times 2, which really means 4, x to the 2, y to the 8. Let's multiply these out. Ready? So 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times that, negative 3. That times that is going to be 2ax squared. And this times this is negative 1ax. So let's rewrite it. 6x minus 3, 2ax squared. And then instead of the 1, just put minus 8x. Find v if v equals pi r squared h. R, h. Just substitute in there. V equals pi 3a squared, 2a plus 3. 3a times 3a is 9a squared. 9a times that is 18a cubed. That times that is 27a squared. Multiply the pi times the first, pi times the second. So it's going to be 18 pi a cubed and 27 pi a squared. Find n if a squared plus n plus 6b squared equals a plus b, a plus 6b. Write this down, copy it. Just don't do anything with it. This one, let's follow this guy out. A times a squared, a times that, 6ab. That times that is ab, 6b squared. So we have, rewrite this as a squared plus 6ab plus 1ab plus 6b squared. So notice, we have a squared. This right here is 7ab. Plus, so no, a squared matches a squared. 6b squared matches 6b squared. So this one must match this one here. So n has to be what? 7ab. Find letter C if 3x minus 2 times 4x plus c equals this, 12x squared plus 7x minus 10. Well, we know that the last times the last is always going to give you the last. So the negative 2 times the c is going to be the last one, negative 10. Last times last equals the last. So negative 2c equals negative 10. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So negative by negative is a positive. So c equals 5. Factor this. Factor the GCF. So for this one, so we can take out 6x from this. Is that right? Let's check this. 6x times that, is that going to give us back the original problem? Let's see. 6x to the 1 times this is going to be 6x to the 1 plus 2 power. That times that's going to be 18x to the 1 plus 1 power. And this is going to be 6x. So now, is that right? 6x cubed, 18x squared, 6x. Good. It does match. Factor this, the GCF. I say we can take out a 2x squared y1 from this. 2x squared y. That's the answer right there. But let's check it. I think let's just check it. Multiply back together. 2x squared y1 times this and that one. Put the 1 powers there. That sounds going to be 4x to the 2 plus 1 and then just 1 minus negative 2 x to the 2 y to the 1 plus 1. So that's going to be 4x cubed y1 minus 2x squared y squared. So 4x cubed y minus 2x squared y squared is the same. Yes, it does match. Okay, good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Gil Alvarez Jr. Thank you. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck.